Have you ever bought a used iPhone or just wanted to check what has happened with your device over time? Apple has a hidden feature that can show you whether the phone has been opened, whether any parts have been replaced, and whether everything is original. In this video, I'll show you where to find this option and how to check it in just a few seconds. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss any new tutorials I upload. So the first thing you need to do is open Settings on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, the next step is to find the General section and open it. When you enter General, you will see the About section at the top of the screen. Tap on it. After that, in this section, you will see a list of different options and device information. Find the option called Parts and Service History and tap on it. Once you enter this option, you can see parts of your iPhone such as the battery, display, or camera, but only if something has been replaced or if the system has information about those components. If it says Genuine Apple Part, it means an original Apple part has been installed and the iPhone has successfully verified it as genuine. If it says Unknown Part, it means the iPhone cannot confirm that the part is original or properly matched with the device. This usually indicates that the part has been replaced or is not Apple verified. If it says Service, it means the system has detected an issue with that part and a repair or replacement is recommended. In some cases, you may also see a warning or message about an issue, which further indicates a problem with a specific component. This way, you can quickly check whether your iPhone has been opened, whether parts have been replaced, and what condition they are in. And that's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel Smart Assistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.